Hello dear students, hope so you all are healthy and happy and also doing the preparation for your exams. So now let us start our revision. So the first question A, that is filling the blanks. The options are given over here and you have to select from the option and you have to write the answers. So the first blank is Tipu Sultan fought pitched battle against the British and died fighting. Second one, he heard with relief that line had been recaptured. The third, Lord Macaulay recommended the instruction of English education in India. The zookeeper was stuck in the tree and his rescue was filmed by the TV crew. The fifth one, there was much excitement in the village when the snake charmer came for visiting. Hope so you are clear with the first page as we have done during the chapters exercise, so it might be very easy for you. So please students, do note down the revision which will make very easy for the preparation of your exams. So let us move on for the next page. Question 1b, that is MCQ. The first MCQ is, the tsunami occurred on which date? That is option A, 26 December 2004. Second one, how old was Almaz Javed? We know very well was about 10 years old. That is option A. Third, Raja Ram Mohan Roy was from, where was he from? He was from Bengal. That is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Please students, do tick mark the option D, that is Bengal. Fourth one, in which year the regulation 3 was passed? In which year that regulation 3 act was passed? It was passed in option B, 1818. Is it clear to you all? Let us move on towards the next page. Question 1c, that is answer in short. So question 1, what is the question 1? Why did Tillis family come to Thailand? We know very well that the family came to celebrate Christmas. So the answer is, Tillis family had come to Thailand to celebrate festival Christmas. What did Macaulay suggest in 1835? अच्छा, Macaulay ने क्या suggest किया था? An Englishman, Macaulay suggested that Indians should be taught through the English language. Indians को English language सिखानी चाहिए. Third one, how many peoples and animals died in tsunami? 1,50,000 people and very few animals died in tsunami. Give two examples. Fourth, give two examples of social practice prevailing then. Untouchability and child marriages are the two examples of social practices. Now question 2a, that is filling the blanks and you are given the options and from that option you have to choose and fill the blanks. So the first blank is, it was clear that the earth was round. When the poet sees from the height, when he is going in a jet plane or when he is flying in a jet plane, what does he notices? He notices that the earth was round. The second one, that land and water attracted man. अच्छा, लैंड और वाटर दोनों मैन को अट्रैक्ट करते. थर्ड वन, व्हेन द जेट स्प्रैंग इनटू द स्काई. व्हेन द जेट स्प्रैंग मतलब कि फ्लू इनटू द स्काई. देयर सीम्ड एन अनएविटेबिलिटी, मतलब कि कुछ भी अच्छे से ऑर्डर में नहीं है, उसको बोलते हैं अनएविटेबिलिटी, मतलब कि नॉट प्लान्ड और नॉट इन अ परफेक्ट ऑर्डर. सो नाउ क्वेश्चन 2b, दैट इज MCQ. So the first MCQ is, which region of the earth is thickly populated? Obviously option D, that is valley is thickly populated. Clear till this 4 blanks and MCQs? Let us move on for the next page. So the second MCQ, that is, what does the word delineated means? It means shown, मतलब कुछ दिखाया. Delineated मतलब कि shown, that is option B. Now question 3, who is the poet of the poem Geography Lesson? जो पोएम थी जियोग्राफी लेसन, उसके पोएट कौन थे? द पोएट नेम्ड जुल्फिकर घोष. उस पोएट का नाम क्या था? जुल्फिकर घोष. नाउ द फोर्थ वन, दैट इज What does the word haphazard mean? What does the word haphazard means? Haphazard means without plan or order. Haphazard means option D, that is without plan or order. Clear till this 4 MCQs? Let us move on for the next page. Question 2C, that is answer in short. What is the first question? What is the first thing he notices from the height of 6 miles in the sky? अच्छा, वो जब when he sprang in a jet plane, what did he notices? He notices that the earth is round. Second question, what do people want the most for their settlement? People को जब settle होना होता है तो उनको most चीज़ क्या चाहिए? People mostly want water for their settlement. Obviously water is the basic necessity. ठीक है. Now question 3, what does he find difficult to understand from that height? उसको उस height से क्या difficult हो रहा था समझने में? तो he finds difficult to understand that why people hate and kill one another. What was the difficulty he find? He find difficulty to understand that why people hate and kill one another. What was the difficulty he find to understand that why people hate and kill one another? Now question 3A, that is long answers. Why do Rajaram Mohan Roy go to England? What did he tell the British there? Rajaram Mohan Roy went to England to see that what made the England or British so powerful. There he told that Indians accept them as a rulers and they must accept them as a subject. He also reminded them of the responsibility a ruler owed to his subject. What was his responsibility? He also reminded that कि आप लोग की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है हमारी केयर लेना. Second, give the account of the role of Rajaram Mohan Roy in spreading awareness in Indian society. So the answer is Rajaram was a learned man, a social reformer and a true nationalist. He was from Bengal. He understood that something was going wrong with Indians. He was a learned man and also he was a social reformer and he was the true nationalist. And where was he from? He was from Bengal and he understood that something was going wrong with Indians. Now he came to know that these Britishers are doing something wrong with us. So next page. He called upon the people to fight against social evil of untouchability and child marriages. अब उसने हेल्प के लिए और इंडियन पीपल्स को बुलाया. He also asked people to throw out superstitions. जो वो लोग की अनबिलीफ थी उन सबको बाहर निकाल फेंकना अपने दिमाग से, ऐसा उनको इंस्ट्रक्ट किया. He asked them to feel proud of their culture and learn English. अपने कल्चर पे प्राउड फील करना and learn English. Then alone they would be able to rewrite the British Parliament, write to the British Parliament for the fair deal. कहा कि अगर आप इंग्लिश पढ़ लिख लोगे तो आपके लिए बेहतर होगा कि यू कैन राइट टू ब्रिटिश फॉर योर फेयर डील. क्वेश्चन 3, हाउ डिड संजीव लूज हिज लाइफ? संजीव ने अपनी जान कैसे गंवाई? व्हेन संजीव हर्ड क्राइज फॉर द हेल्प फ्रॉम द वाइफ of John, the guest house cook, he immediately jumped into the water to rescue her, but unfortunately both of them were swept away by the powerful waves. Easy to you? Now next, question 3B, what lesson of geography the poet learned when he flew above his city? अच्छा, वो जब when he sprang in a jet plane, जब वो flew कर रहा था जेट प्लेन में, तब उसने क्या देखा? What did he learn? As the poet flies in the jet, he notices that the city below were not properly planned. He could see why it was so from the height of 10,000 feet, he notices that valleys were populated. It was quite reasonable. उसने देखा हाइट से कि जो वैली है वो ज़्यादा पॉपुलेटेड है, मतलब कि वहाँ पे पीपल ज़्यादा रहते. ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ क्वाइट रीजनेबल बिकॉज वहाँ पे पानी ज़्यादा होते हैं जो सेटलमेंट के लिए, नेसेसिटी के लिए ज़रूरी होता है. बिकॉज पीपल सेटल डाउन इन द प्लेस ऑफ फ्लैट लैंड एंड प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर एंड फूड. इट इज़ क्वाइट illogical why people hate and kill one another. It was difficult for him to understand. From the height he saw that it is reasonable कि people भाई वैली पे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेटेड क्यों होते, क्योंकि वो फ्लैट लैंड होते हैं, वहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर हो सकता है, पानी मिल सकता है, जो बेसिक नीड्स है वो वहाँ पे फुलफिल हो सकती है. लेकिन he was unable to understand that why people hate and kill one another. That was difficult. Hope so you're clear with the revision. So please students, do note down in your notebook and do the preparation well. So thank you and a good luck for your exams.